Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. I want to do a quick video on tires. So I'm at the dealership right now, Nassau County Harley Davidson. This is a whole new section here. They got Triumph dealership right here, which is separate from the Harley Davidson, but you can connect inside to both. This is this new service area. It used to be in the back. So anyway, let's talk about the tires. So I brought my tire in because my bike in because my tires are already down. I got two brand new American Elite tires, and I wanted to show you what 21,000 miles look like on tires. So let's go down here. So I don't know if you can see all this, but you can feel it's pretty low right there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but right, this is the center here. So now I do a lot of country riding, so my tires are worn from right over here to like right there, from all the curvies roads that I take and everything. So I don't know why there's like this little piece of rubber right in the tread there, and I don't know if that's the same one I saw before, but anyway, yeah, it's pretty low. So it was gauged by the service guy and said, yeah, their time to go. You probably could get another 100 miles out of that. Yeah, so it started cupping. I noticed it around here and around here. So those are the front. That's 21,000 miles right there. Let's check out the back side. Oh, I gotta get all the way down here. All right, so yeah, they're about the same. Yep, they're definitely done. Yep. So those are American Elite tires, which is the only tires that I put on my bikes. I've owned 5 Harleys throughout ownership, and actually this is my 3rd limited. The other ones were smaller bikes. I had a Sportster, I had a Road King. So yeah, so bike does well in the rain. It's kind of rainy right now, and I just came flying. I was coming here late. I was supposed to be here about 45 minutes ago, so I'm riding in the rain like at 80 miles an hour on those tires. All right, peace.